Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Forms. So first you just need to open your Google Chrome browser, and if you are using your desktop to create a Google Form, so you can get this 9 dot button on your Google Chrome browser, and from here this is actually where you can get all the Google apps that stored here. So you can find this Forms button here, so simply click on Forms, and this is Google Forms that can help you to gather some survey from your audiences and publics. So there's a issue here, so here you can see the forms has just loaded here. So from here you can create some forms for the subscription, for gathering actually some person's details, for surveys, actually for questionnaires, anything you can make it. So you can also add create some registration form. So it's up to you what type of form that you want to create. So you like here you can find different types of form, like sign up form, event registration form, party invite form, RSVP, and contact information. And I have already created a questionnaire form that is look like this. So if you want to know how you can create a questionnaire form, then there's a video in my channel. You can search for it and you can enjoy that video, and you can create questionnaire forms here. So let me show you how you can create a form from the scratch. So let me show you. You can find this blank form button here with a plus button here. You can simply click on plus button to create a blank form here. So here is a form, so where you can title that form here. And let me explain about all the tools here. So this is actually the customized theme, so you can change the theme from here. So you can change the header text, you can text type here. So I'm going to select it Times New Roman. So I have just changed the header text here, and you can also change the question text and the other body text here, and you can change the size of the text and header here. So you can choose an image if you want. So I'm going to choose an image. So you can upload an image. You can get themes here, so you can get some already added themes so you can use. So for example, I want to create a technology based form, so I want to collect some survey about some technology. So I'm going to add something like this, robots. Yes, now you can insert it, or you can find different types of themes that you can use to add that image to your title or headings. You can upload a photo, so you can add a custom photo if you want. So then from here you can find some photos that actually saved in your drive, but right now I'm going to use that. Sorry, I have just lost that. So from here we can just search for it. Here it is. So I'm going to insert it and wait to load. Here you can see I have just insert that photo here. So we can add it to header, and from here we can change the color also. You can add some new color if you want. So it has just changed according to the theme. So you can change the color, you can change the background here just like this, and you can make it some deep here. So that's how you can change the entire theme, and you can simply click on this view. So get a preview about this form here. So this form is not published yet, and this is actually undo button, or this is actually reader button, and this is actually the link where you can copy the link to share this form. So let's see how we can customize that form here. But before we can show you some more thing, but now you can, here you can find the star icon to make it as to add it to your start file. So you can just simply save it as a favorite. Now make sure that you are logged into your account, and you can simply change the title of from. So answer this title of the from. So I'm going to add a title like survey 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 on AI, just like this. So and you have add some you can add some form description here. So from here I'm going to add a form description. So now I'm going to add some description here, so just like this. And I have added a description here. So you can make a bold, make some bold here. So I will I want to make this part bold here. So that's how you can simply click on this B button here to make it bold here. So you can add underline or make it italic. You can add some link here if you want. So you can make it a link here for that word. So you can integrate a link with this word here. So I'm going to cancel it right now. You can make some number list and some bulleted list also. So from here you have to add email, or you can simply click on change settings. So here in this settings section you can make this a quiz. So it will show you assign points value and get answers and automatically provide feedbacks also. So you can add this if you are making any quizzes. And here is settings regarding to responses. So you can collect email addresses, so responder input. So if you select responder input, so there will be a section where the responder can enter their email and you can get their email as leads. Also you can get the verified emails, so you can get a perfect email addresses so they can get verify their email. So for example, if you are on sometimes on forms, so at the right side of your screen, then you can find that login or use your account, so they can use their account. So it will actually verify that Gmail account according to the browser. So you can select this verified here. Then send responders a copy of the responses. So you can send a copy of them. So you can send it when requested. If you select it, so they can actually request for that copy and you can send that copy to them. Or if you select always, so they can always get their copy of that. Also you can turn it off. Now limit one response. So I prefer you to select one response here or not. So for survey, sometimes it's disabled for surveys, but if it's quiz or some questionnaire, so you can limit one response. So one person can actually send one response for once at a time. Then here's presentation. So show progress bar. You can set it progress bar, that how much question that person has completed. And you can also shuffle question order for everyone. They can you can shuffle for question order for each person, so it will be automated. Now confirmation message, you can edit it. So you can edit the confirmation message. So your response has been recorded. You can add something like this. This is actually default. Or you can just thanks for your valuable opinion. Sorry for that, opinion. And here then you can result summary, view the result summary also. Now the defaults here, the from defaults, you can collect email address by defaults, yes, the responder input, and the question defaults, you can make question required by default. So from here, now let's see how you can add some questions here. Here you can see a question like which AI, sorry for that, AI you use in your daily life. So you can add some multiple options here like ChatGPT or Leonardo or the DeepSeek or type of like Kling AI. So just like this, you can choose the multiple choice here, or you can choose check boxes if it is multiple choice. So one can actually give the multiple choice here. So let me show you the preview here. So like this, one can actually give one answer only at one time. So here you can find that there is added all of this section here that I have set up. Now also you can add some check boxes if you want multiple answers from here. So one can actually give us multiple answers. So if I reload it, so here you can see one can actually give us multiple answers at one time. So just like this, you can also change the drop down, or you can add a short answer here, so they can actually give the answer by themselves. They can add some random AIs here. They can add, simply click on it, and they can type anything they want. So they can add that here. So from here you can also get some paragraph if you want a large scale of answer. Then here is file upload, so you can upload any image, any file, any video related to your question here. Then you can add some liner scale, so you can add some liner scale that the audience or the the examiner or that person that are answering the question can rate your question or rate their experience in this point 1 to 5. You can select 1 to 5, 6, 7, 8, anything you want. Also the rating, you can add some rating. So if you ask for any type of rating that give our survey a rating, so they can give you a rating here. There's just like this, and let me show you. Just like this, they can give the rating here. So 6-star rating, 7-star rating, or 8-star rating. So you can also make it a 10 here, just like this. And from here you can choose the multiple choice grid. You can simply select it, and they can actually select multiple choice here. So you can change it, you can change here. So just like this, you can also set date and time for you. Now how you can add multiple question here, so multiple choice here. How you can add some multiple questions, so you can simply click on this plus icon to add another question here. You can add as more question field as you want, just like this. Now here is import question. You can import your question here. You can add title and description for that question. You can add image and videos for that, and you can add sections if you want. So I want to disable it. Now let's see how you can share that from. After customizing whole of your form, you can share it by this link. So first you have to publish that form. You have to simply click on this publish button here. Then you can copy that link and you can share it among peoples that you want to get survey from, or you can get this share button here. You can share with peoples. You can just set it that anyone with link, and also you can make it restriction, or you can set it anyone with link. And you can set it responder or editor. So this is actually the editing section, the editor view. So you can restrict it for yourself and or your team. Now from here you can simply click on done. So you can give the editor section access to people that you want to work with you. So here you can find some more things that you can make a copy of that form. You can embed some HTML. You can print that all question here. Also you can delete it by tap on this move to trash icon here. So you can delete all the forms here. And in responses, you just need to go to that form here, just like this, and you can just need to go to the responses, and you can find all the responses that you have got from. So for example, I have give a response. I'm going to give that for not now. It's not collecting responses because it's not published yet. So after publishing, you will get all the responses that people have answered to their question, and you can also find that preview of that answers in this section. So also you can link these pre-responses into sheets, so it will collect all the data and it will store it to your sheets automatically. So that's all about how you can create and use Google Form. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.